Why Dhoni is called human calculator in cricket? Why is he the best finisher in the world? How did he win all the ICC trophies? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is not a single person, he is one-man army. One thing by which he took the entire cricketing world by storm is his extraordinary capability to innovate. Yes, today I will talk about his innovations to be the best in the business. Run rate web. Before Dhoni, I have not seen any finisher take the game to the last over. Dhoni used to calculate the target like a calculator and reach the target on time. The helicopter shot. Helicopter shot was initially invented by his friend, but he had the courage to use it in international cricket. Yorkers are the most difficult ball to play in cricket, and helicopter shot was the perfect reply for that. Before Dhoni, keepers used to collect the ball, go back with the velocity and go for the stump. But Dhoni came up with an innovation to go towards the ball and hit the stump, making him one of the fastest wicket-keeping hands in cricket. U-shaped bats. Dhoni did innovation with his bat also, wherein he changed the shape of his bat into U-shape. These bats are usually heavy from bottom and extremely good for hard hitting. In the ending phase of cricketer's career, the value of their sponsorship goes low. So what did Dhoni do? He came up with two sponsors on his bat at the same time. I have never seen any player do that. He started no-looking runouts, in which he used to collect the ball and throw to the stumps without even looking at it. This is one of the most deceptive innovations Dhoni did in the game, which no one else till now dares to do in international matches. DRS in fun is also called as Dhoni Review System because of his accuracy, which means his focus was razor sharp on each and every ball of the match. Dhoni started his batting career at number 3 position, but he decided to demote himself to find the right balance of the team and still ended up scoring more than 10,000 runs in ODI and around 5,000 runs in Test. I don't remember any player or captain doing this kind of personal sacrifice for the sake of the team. When Dhoni became the captain, rest of the world were finding better batsmen and bowlers, while Dhoni was constructing a strong fielding unit. He started the trend of fit and fast fielders. He had to take some tough calls to remove senior players because a good fielding team can easily save 20 to 40 runs, and that's going to make a huge difference in close matches. Dhoni as a player was naturally aggressive player, but he changed his batting style wherein he decided not to take a lot of risk up till he reached 20 runs. So if you see the pattern of his batting, he made innovations in that, and because of that his ODI average is more than 50. That's extraordinary. So above all, one thing which we can learn from Dhoni is that he didn't get anything served in the platter. He had to struggle hard, and he understood only by innovating he can be the best in the business. This video is a heartfelt tribute to my hero Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He showed me how to be innovative, how to be fearless, how to be calm, how to be responsible and positive. Thank you very much, and we love you. That's it for this story. See you next week. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive.